Okay, correct. So now let me close MPS so that it will not confuse. I will close MPS. So guys, now this is IPS.
Yes.
Yes. If
Now
you have
can you
made
please-
already made the new sheet, then it is IPS.
Yes, I have done. Now I will open the HAJOP for IPS. This HAJOP. HAJOP sheet. So in HAJOP sheet, this is IPS. I will close this IPS. MPS. This is IPS. Correct?
No, no,
Are you
no.
pushing?
This is MB21.
This is IPS.
This, yes, this.
Correct. So the TSDH 1042.
Yeah.
TSDH 42 1001. Correct?
Yes.
42 1001. Now this, Roman, I will change MPS to IPS, right?
Okay.
IPS main pump running in recycle mode, 3 minimum recirculation, extended recycle, fluid temperature, main cause, impeller. Okay. So this is asset 1. This is correct. CM none.
هي البمب برضه تبقى intermediate bump.
intermediate bomb. خلاص في حالة intermediate bomb.
Can you give me the pump number? Can you give me the pump number?
Okay.
P1011.
1011, yeah.
P10
Excuse me, Mr. Chairman, you can make it replace all the MPS main pumps with the IPS intermediate pumps. You can use the replace function for all the sheets. Yes.
Yes.
Final replace, right?
Yes. Find that
You can
replace.
consider
Replace.
IBS intermediate bump, not main bump.
Yes.
Yeah. I am fighting with MPS. I am replacing with IPS.
Yes, okay.
Yes. Yeah. Replaced all. Yes.
So this all, yes. And the
And
main,
all main pumps to be intermediate pumps.
yeah.
The main pump, huh?
Main bump, yes. The intermediate bump.
Intermediate.
No.
Correct? This is correct, right?
Remove bump. Just main and replace bump.
No.
Intermediate.
I think let us put the intermediate, otherwise there are many things will be there. So I will replace.
So this is, you have already reached IPS, huh?
Now finish the main bump and now IBS.
Yes.
IPS finished, huh?
Okay, we have done it.
MP2120, you have anything in SIL in MP2120?
And tomorrow we can finish everything.
As you wish.
Okay, guys.
We can finish
Guys,
everything, but the chairman.
Yeah. You know, Chairman, when I